Let me get in position. Hot and freshy in the kitchen. What are the lyrics? I don't know. I ain't sing the song. Hey y'all, it's your girl Stacy Theroux coming at you live from her house in her room where she resides. You know who it was? You know who I was when you saw me on the screen, talking the way I'm talking, looking the way I'm looking. You said, yeah, I know her. Yeah, you better know. Anyways, for today's video, I'm installing a wig. I've never actually installed a wig on myself from beginning to end. I posted a video way back. I'll put the card somewhere up here, linking the wig that I made. I made a wig and my cousin installed it, so I didn't actually install that wig, and I mentioned that in the video. So this is about to be a different type of journey for me to actually install this, and it might be a little bit rocky, but we're about to see how this is about to go. So the wig that I'm reviewing is from Yolissa hair. It is a 26-inch water wave wig with transparent lace. It looks like this. It's beautiful, y'all. And this is hang time. I never had hang time like this. Let's get into it. Without further ado, let's lay this hair with some glue. I'm a wrapper on the side. On the side though, not on the main. On the side. So it came with a bunch of little goodies in the bag, and one of the things that it came with was this wig cap that doesn't really match my skin, but we'll do it. We'll make it work. And I know I'm already bald, so it really doesn't make sense to do the bald cap method, but let me be. I just want to feel some things that other people feel, you know? Let me be. I'm going to be using these alcohol prep pads. It's just easier than the whole, you know, cotton ball, put the thing in the thing. These already come wet, so... Ooh, it's kind of burning. It's kind of burning. Oh my god. I'm going to take off all the product and stuff that I have on the perimeter of my hairline. Jesus is Lord. This is burning. And everybody's like, gold teeth, grade 2, sticking on your back cheek. We don't care. We're gonna lay this hair. Oh my gosh, it has 2 wig caps. You guys are so sweet. You're just giving. You're just a gift that keeps on giving. So I'm gonna take this wig cap, which honestly pretty much matches my skin. I really don't want to do the whole foundation thing, but I mean, I guess I'll do it. Never mind, it does not match my skin at all. Who did I think I was playing? I'm gonna cut holes for my eyes so I can actually see what I'm doing. Oh.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
The stocking cap is running. Oh my god. This eye is gonna have to be blind. I'm sorry. It's dry. Now I'm just gonna cut this part off. Rise and shine. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You kind of want it right in front of your edges. I'm really scared of making my bald cap the same color as my skin. I kind of want it lighter than me. So I'm gonna mix. This is my Juvia's Place concealer on the back of my hand, like so, like that, and just blend it on my bald cap. You want to do this like as far back as you think you're gonna part your wig, because this is your new scalp essentially. So now I'm going to take my wiggy wig, and throw it on my head. Ooh, I look like a dog. The glue that I'm using is Esha Luxury Wig Fashion Absolute Lace Wig Bond glue. Ooh, it kind of burns. Why does everything burn right there? Yes, mother! Okay, so at this point, I really went silent on y'all, so I thought I'd just come back on here to explain what I was doing, because you could see the focus in my eye. This girl has no time for talking. Me, I'll talk for you, girl. So basically what I was doing was layering on my glue. I did about 2 layers of this John, and I'll show you that in a few, but this is just the first layer. I'm gonna let this dry before adding another layer. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I'm gonna use the middle shade that's like not too dark, not too light for my skin tone, and I'm just gonna apply it to the lace part as this dries. I really should have done this when it was not on my head, but you know what, we think about things in a different order on this side, so I'm honestly gonna take it off my head and do it like that. This wig better come out looking very, very tantalizing. In fact, it will come out looking like I'm just a fine babe, a Kenya babe, fine girl, no pimples, huh? Yo, this is about to come out good. I already know. I already know. It's gonna come out great. Why am I being so rough? I think I'm good. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my head again and really try not to get it on the glue yet. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to attack this time. Period, poo. I'm pressing it down so that the lace kind of stays down, but I'm not gonna press it so that the hair is sticking down. You don't want your hair to stick it down. You want your hair to look like it's flowing everywhere, right? Now I'm gonna tie it down. And in the package, they were also kind to include a silky silk. They also gave me lashes, which are really cute. Maybe I'll wear them in this video. Sometimes wig companies give you lashes that look very... This one looked very like butterflies in the wind. Now we wait. I'll be back when it's done. All right, guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna cut this right here, and I'm gonna use my razor to cut off the excess lace. I feel safe doing it, so I'm gonna do it. What did I just say? Anyways, child, I'm basically just cutting off the lace with my razor that was very dull, very disrespectful. That needs plucking, or that needs help. That needs a prayer or two. Yes, indeed it does, Sweetie Pie. We will get there eventually. Right now, let's just cut the lace. Focus. This is so hard to do with the razor. I don't know how people do it. See, I like that. I like how far that is from my face. The other one was too close to me eyebrow. The ear tabs is where I always mess up. Bless you. This part here is the hardest part for me. I always mess up the ear tab. So basically what you want to do is cut around your ear so you have a space for your ear, but you always want to make sure you leave your sideburn on there. I always cut the sideburn off. And it makes me want to cry because it looks sick. It looks bad. And what wig you seen with no ear tab? Well, what wig you seen with no sideburns? What in the world? In which planet, in which universe is that? Because I'm not interested at all. Okay, number 2, you're no match for me, bro. Did you hear how I took care of number 1? Easy. This light is doing me so dirty right now. I swear it does not look like that white in real life. Now, I'm gonna try to pluck it. Where are my tweezers? So now they are running. They want to run. Another thermometer, Voiceover Stacy is back and better again and again and again. But for this part, basically all I'm doing is plucking the frontal so it looks less thick, more natural and like thin. You know what I mean? If you don't know, I'm so sorry. So sorry. The lace is white, and that's because of the glue that I used, unfortunately. But we're gonna do some surgery. We're gonna try and bring it back to life. So what I'm gonna do is take the same contour palette. I'm gonna put it on my lace to kind of just conceal the lace a little bit. Oh my gosh, the lighting making it look like it. I swear in real life the lace has disappeared. Oh, I put too much in that spot. Oh, yo, looking cute. Look at that. It looks so white on there, but if I swear in real life, y'all, if you could see me, you would not. I just put coconut oil on my head and this hair grew. The next part that I'm about to do, what was I about to do? Oh, my baby hairs. I don't want so many baby hairs. Like, I don't want an OD, like, swoop. I want, like, a little swoop. You feel me? I just spit everywhere. I kind of want baby hairs right here. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. You just keep sneezing, sniffling. I'm done blessing you. I don't have enough blessings to give. Stop sneezing. Now the baby hairs, I'd like them to be a little thinner than my hair. Like, I don't want opaque baby hairs. Me want see-through the baby hair. So I'm gonna pluck them a little bit like that. I just looked at myself in the mirror, in the bathroom mirror, and I look stunning. I look stunning. I look good. I don't even care. Like, I can even just wear like this. Okay, so as that kind of sets in, I'm gonna be working on my actual hair here. Me want wet it, wet it, wet it, wet it, wet it, wet it. Just look at the way it looks. Do I look crazy from over there? Maybe, but in my eyes, I look good. In my eyes, I look good. Guys, I'm just gonna take a generic spray bottle with generic water in it, and I'm just gonna wet the hair because I can honestly wear it like this, because in person I swear it looks better than on there it looks a little but in person it looks look at that curl pattern, y'all. Get into it. Looks like a monster, monster, monster. Looks like a monster, monster, monster. Looks like it was a monster. Download my new EP, Monster, on all platforms. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. I want to cut this a little shorter and kind of swoop the edge. Guys, I'm almost at the last step. This is not even almost at the last step. We're here. We've made it. We're at the last step. The last thing I need to do is put concealer on my part. Just basically perfecting the part. That's basically all I gotta do. This side looks really ratch on camera. Really, really ratch. I think it's the fact that I have two baby hairs. You know what I'm gonna do? Bring this one back. So I have the Care styling wax stick. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna put this on my part area. Then you take your hot comb and you go over the areas which you... Ooh, my hair is just sizzling because it was wet. If you have this, don't wet it first. You better do this first and then wet it. Now is when I want to take my concealer, the one that I mixed on my hand earlier, and just kind of follow that middle part. Try not to overdo it. When you overdo it, oh my gosh, I look good. I'm sorry, I can't even instruct when I've looked this good. If you overdo it, like if you make your part too thick, which mine looks pretty okay, but I'm gonna do something about it right now, even though it's fine. You can always take a spray, like a temporary root spray. This is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up in black. So basically what you want to do, you want to take your rat tail comb and just go like this. Ooh, I'm scared to do this. I cannot mess this up. I refuse. Guys, I did a good job. I'm so proud of myself. I did a good job. Look at me, y'all. Look at me. Don't be shy. Look at me. I did the damn thing. Let's go show my parents. Let's go show my parents what the kid did.
Not blue. Not red. Yellow. It's a Cheetos thing. At T-Mobile, we have a plan built just for customers sticking by their saving 50% versus other carriers. 2 unlimited lines for less than $30.
You like it? Thank you. Thank you. Anyways, guys, I will catch y'all in the next clip. Toodaloo. Haro. Hey. Haro. Hey. Haro. Hey. Let me get down on the ground. I added a little bit of water and some conditioner just to get the kale pattern popping. Because if this kale pattern is not popping, it will look... If you got this far in the video, comment wavy. Comment wavy. I want to see how many of you guys can really pass this quiz. How many of you guys really mess with me like that, okay? Let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more wig videos, if there's any steps that I did that you need more clarification on, whether that be bleaching the knots or plucking or installing it, like whatever part that you need clarification. I'm a teacher. Clearly, I've done something here. Where is it? Where is the problem? Nothing. Because I did it. I look good. stay tuned to the next video. Bye, y'all. Walk in. Walkouts. These are the tents. These are the tents. These are the tents. Tents. Hey, adios. Have a good day.